Okay, let's start with reading the question. There were an equal number of chickens and ducks. After 520 chickens were sold, the number of ducks was 5 times the number of chickens left in the farm. How many ducks were there in the end? Okay, so when we see the first part, there were an equal number of chicken and ducks. Immediately we know that this is an equal stage type of question. And when we see this, the number of ducks was 5 times the number of chickens. We know that most likely a model drawing would be helpful. So we start with drawing the number of ducks because we notice that the number of ducks did not change. Okay, so we draw 5 units of ducks. Put a D to represent duck, and the chicken would be 1 unit. Okay, but we also notice that initially the number were equal. So we draw dotted line to represent the number of chickens sold. And we see from here that the number is 520. So it's very clear from the model that 4 units gives us 520. And what would 1 unit be? So we can do 520 divided by 4 and we would get 130. So the question is how many ducks were there? And we know number of ducks is 5 units. So what we can do, 4 units plus 1 unit is 650. Okay, so how many ducks were there in the end? There were 650 ducks in the end. Alternatively, instead of adding 4 units with 1 unit, you can also do 1 unit times 5 to get 650. Either way will give you the answer.